Today, I'll be trying out Azerbaijan cuisine. This restaurant I'll be going to today is around the old city, Isherisheha. And the name of the restaurant is called Kasamasa. This is the first time I'll be going to Azerbaijan restaurant and I will be ordering only Azerbaijani meal. Normally, I just order for the regular burgers and other recipes. And today we have a guest, I would say a new friend. We'll be trying the meal together. So. What's my thoughts? You know when they slap you, that's how I feel. Not my taste. No, you don't do. For meji, it actually tastes like potato porridge, the one we used to eat in Nigeria. Not so bad. I tried it with bread. Actually, very, 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 very tasty. And really, I don't know why I didn't try it for so long, but very, very tasty. That's all?
And this one too. I like this one too. The Three Sisters. What's this?
Three Sisters dolma.
Yeah. Eggplant, tomato, and pepper. They've done it. What can you do?
I'll take it with this thing. Rush.
You can take it.
I say rush.
Try it with the sauce first. Then make your comment.
These onions. It's okay. Not bad. It's fine. You don't want to try it? You try this one. So you take the sugar and put in, is it the water or here? Okay. Not bad.